Hello guys, welcome back to iPhone Topics channel. Today we will discuss some tips and tricks about Snapchat. I know many of you guys love Snapchat, including myself too, because it's a top-notch entertaining app today. Snapchat is a package of many interesting features that we already know. So guys, let's see some more hidden things and unknown features behind them. Before moving to know more features, in Snapchat's new update, we have options like flash, timeline, sounds, multi-snap, timer, focus, grid to take a snap. In that, the multi-snap does the pretty thing. Instead of clicking the save for each snap, you can enable the multi-snap option. You may take multiple snaps at a time. Now we are going to see two features on friends list. First one is you can delete a chat for 24 hours once you read it. To do that, swipe right on the snapshot camera screen. There you can see your friends list. Long press on any of your friends' name, then tap chat settings and you can see delete chat option. Simply tap it. Now choose either after viewing or 24 hours after viewing option. That's it. The second tip is that you can change your friend's name on Snapchat. In my Snapchat app, I save my friend's name as something funny. This was really nice feature for me. Okay, I will give you the steps. Swipe right on the Snapchat camera screen. There you can see your friends list. Long press on any of your friend's name. Then tap manage friendship option. Then click edit name option. And then enter your friend's name as you like. That's it. Without a doubt, the next has been an interesting and entertaining feature for us. That's a live story feature. To see a live story on Snapchat, swipe right on the Snapchat camera screen to Snap Map. There you can see the highlights, right? This means that live story has been uploaded in that region. I hope you can understand that we can see any country's live story on Snapchat. That's why we call it an entertaining app. Another hidden feature is that 3D Paint, which is a pretty cool reality feature. Moreover, I like this feature very much. Let's see. On Snapchat search bar, type 3D Paint and click that option. Now press and hold your camera screen and write anything on the screen and take a snap. That's it. The next step is that you can save your mobile data on Snapchat. For that, go to settings on your Snapchat. There you can see the manage option, tap it, and now you can see the data saver option. Just enable it. That's it. The next feature is to add background music to your snap. Tap music icon on your camera screen. There you can see the lot of music. Select one music which you love and take a shot or timeline along with the music. After taking it, open a Snapchat gallery and look at what you captured. That's it. So guys, I hope you have seen some hidden features from this video. If you know any other features, then share them in the comment section. I'm curious to know more features and I'm a big fan of Snapchat. Then if you enjoy this video, do like, share and subscribe to iPhone Topics channel as well as click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever the video is published.